Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to fix the parent permission required issue in Roblox game. Here, as you can see, this game has a moderate level, and I am unable to play it. When I click on it, it says that update your content maturity settings. To solve this, go back to the home page, and from here click on the More. Now scroll down and click on the Settings option. From here, click on the Account Info. Now click on the Edit option in front of the person, and from here update the date accordingly. Make sure you are selecting the age that is greater than 18. And now click on Verify ID. Here you can add your ID, passport, and other details. Another method for solving this issue you can do is click on this Privacy and Content Maturity option. And now click on the Content Maturity option. From here you can scale up to the moderate, and as you can see, it is required to ask the permission of your parent. Click on this button, and now here, add your email address. And that's how the email is sent to your parent. Now from their account, you can create or use another account. I'm now creating a new account. Here, you have to add the age, which is greater than 18. Alright, now click on the Create Account, and that's all. You can verify it from your credit card as well as your ID. After the verification, you will get the permission to play the game or not by your parent. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.